Hello guys. Today I will show you in Dragon Ball Legends Crystals glitch for Android and iOS. You're going to pretty much be able to get everything on the Crystals shop for free. So you can just follow my steps. First, go to this website, appxfree.com. Then search for Dragon Ball Legends Crystals. This is the tool that we are using to get the crystals for free. So, we will type our username or game ID. Then we will select our device. For me, I have an Android. Then click Continue. Now we will choose the amount we want to get on our account. I will choose 5,650 crystals. So it says that we have to unlock our crystals manually, so click Unlock Now. And it's gonna say that we're gonna have to complete 2 of these offers to get our Dragon Ball Legends crystals. So we have to complete these 2 offers. After I complete the offers, it says open your game and check the crystals as you can see. So I will open the game. So guys, as you can see, I've got my free 5,650 crystals. So just follow all these steps. So guys, don't forget to share it with your friends. Peace out.